So these are just various sticks that are just located in my yard all over the place. So because I have trees that really like to litter, so what better use to, than to recycle them into something kind of cool looking. So that's what we're gonna do today. The video is gonna be pretty straightforward. Wine corks, scissors if you need some. I have scissors. Hot glue gun to attach the corks together. These X-Acto knives or a precision drill set if you have that, like the hand drill sets. I have these as well. I also have the smaller scissors and wire cutters. And obviously your twigs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna glue these up like this. Maybe like this. One, two, and what's that? That was 4 legs. That's what we're doing. We gotta do 9 of these because there are 9 reindeer on the sleigh. That's what we're doing. So if you drink wine or have a friend that drinks wine, it's a cheaper way of getting the corks. Otherwise you can get, I think maybe like a small box of a handful of them for like $13 over at the local craft store, which is awfully a lot. Or if you can, go visit like an Olive Garden restaurant or some Italian restaurant that have their corks in a basket and see if you can take some. That's how I got some of mine. So I already cut a couple by accident. I thought the camera was rolling and it wasn't. So, whatever. You basically want to just trim the branches up as best you can. Try and keep them up. Oh, that didn't work. You can use garden shears instead of wire cutters. It might actually be a little bit easier. Mine are just out in the shed and I'm just too lazy to go get them. Good idea. I'm being lazy today. And if you don't have twigs or trees in your yard or anything, or you don't like to look at trees in your yard, you can do dowels instead. Dowels would be a lot cleaner. But I like the look of the twigs. I think the more natural it looks, the better. Okay, so plug in your glue gun, let it get going. And we're gonna glue these like this. Now, this cork is a natural wood cork. You can tell by the grain. This is a synthetic cork. You can use either one. I'm probably gonna change these two out because these are synthetic into these. Just that way they stay even with the texture looking. So let me break open my wine corks. Yeah, these are a lot better. Change that up to that one. You don't want them like too damaged on the ends, so just make sure that you check your ends if you do use used corks. If you get them new, then the ends will be fine. Then we're just gonna start building them like this. I would probably recommend a high temp gun. I never made these before, so we're just gonna find out what's gonna work. I believe this is a hot temp gun. I don't know. I didn't buy it. It was given to me, so. Yeah, you don't have to make these out of corks. Like I said, you can use wooden dowels. You can use whatever you want. Even if you have like larger sticks, you can do that. Give me one or two probably upside down, but oh well. I have plenty of corks, so if I screw one up, it ain't gonna be the end of the world. I have one of those large popcorn container things that you get the flavored multi-pack of popcorn in a bag. Yeah, I have a whole thing of those. I have a lot of friends that drink wine, myself included. I try and not spend a lot of money on things that I know I could probably end up getting for free, especially the corks from people. So that's another way I can save a lot of money doing these crafts. So yeah, please don't think I'm an alcoholic, because I'm not. I have drunk reindeer. A whole bunch of reindeer. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the antlers on. So I'm thinking about adding tails to them. Let's just see how that's gonna work.